Making Money Online in Zambia, Upwork and Freelancer Guide. Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to JSM. In our previous video, we explored 4 legitimate ways to make money online in Zambia. If you haven't seen that video yet, I highly recommend checking it out for some fantastic insights. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of online freelancing, focusing on 2 major platforms that can help you earn money right from the comfort of your home. That's right, we're talking about Upwork and Freelancer. And guess what? These platforms aren't just limited to Zambia. They connect freelancers from around the world with clients seeking their skills. But before we get started, a quick heads up. If you're curious about other freelancing websites beyond Upwork and Freelancer, stay tuned until the end because I'll be giving you a sneak peek of our upcoming video. Let's jump in. 1. Upwork, your global workspace. As you might remember from our previous video, Upwork is one of the leading freelancing platforms out there. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or possess any valuable skill, Upwork connects you with clients who need your expertise. Specialization. Upwork covers a vast range of categories, from writing and design to programming and marketing. Earnings potential. Your earnings on Upwork can vary widely based on project complexity and expertise. Freelancers typically earn between $10 to several $100s per project. Specialized skills can command rates of $100 or more per hour. Geographical reach. Upwork allows freelancers from around the world to join and work with clients globally. How to sign up. To start on Upwork, visit their website and create a profile. Showcase your skills, experience, and portfolio to potential clients. Ensure you verify your identity and payment details before accepting projects. Reliability. Upwork is generally considered to be about 90% reliable. However, remember to review project details, client feedback, and communication to ensure a positive experience. Note, if you missed our previous video, no worries. You can watch it right here. It's filled with insights that can help you kickstart your online money-making journey. 2. Freelancer. The world awaits your talent. Another powerhouse in the freelancing world. Remember, we're not just confined to one region. We're talking global reach. Freelancer is all about bidding on projects and showcasing your skills to a diverse clientele. Specialization. Freelancer covers a wide array of skills, from writing and design to coding and engineering. Earnings potential. Earnings on Freelancer range from $10 to several $100s per project. Your rates depend on the work type and your skill level. Geographical reach. Freelancer is open to freelancers from around the world, allowing them to work with clients globally. How to sign up. To sign up on Freelancer, visit their website and create a profile. Ensure your skills, portfolio, and relevant info are highlighted. As with other platforms, verify your identity and payment details before bidding on projects. Reliability. Freelancer has a reliability rating of about 85%. Thoroughly review client feedback and project details before accepting offers. Next video sneak peek, but wait, there's more. I know you're curious about other freelancing platforms that can further amplify your earning potential. In our upcoming video, I'll be walking you through more amazing platforms that can connect you to even more opportunities. So make sure you're subscribed to JSM and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Remember, the online freelancing world is your oyster, and platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are your tools to crack it open. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning, and keep thriving. This is Mr. JSM signing off.